Welcome to Motorcycle News Channel. Yamaha officially introduced the TY-E electric trial bike, announcing an official factory effort in the 2018 FIM Trial-E Cup. The TY-E originated as a side project by members of Yamaha's R&D team. In this case, the project was greenlit and Yamaha produced its new electric trial bike. Electric powertrains make a lot of sense for trial bikes due to their high torque output. The TY-E is powered by an AC synchronous electric motor powered by a lithium-ion battery. Yamaha says the motor delivered powerful low-speed torque and extended acceleration. A mechanical clutch ensures full control over torque delivery, while the flywheel was optimized for improved traction. Yamaha also applied its patented Synchronous ceramic nano-film coating to the fenders, motor covers and upper and lower fork brackets to give it an iridescent look. The TY-E uses a carbon fiber reinforced polymer monocoque frame to optimize rigidity while maintaining a low weight of less than 154 pounds.